In Python, how do I indicate I'm overriding a method? In Java, for example, the @override annotation not only provides compile time checking of an override but makes for excellent self-documenting code. I'm just looking for documentation, although if it's an indicator to some checker like parent, that's a bonus. I can add a comment or docstring somewhere, but what is the idiomatic way to indicate an override in Python?
Based on this in FWC's answer, I created a pip installable package, this URL. From time to time I end up here looking at this question. Mainly this happens after, again, seeing the same bug in our code base. Someone has forgotten some interface implementing class while renaming a method in the interface. Well, Python ain't Java, but Python is power, and explicit is better than implicit, and there are real concrete cases in the real world where this thing would have helped me. So here is a sketch of overrides decorator. This will check that the class given as a parameter has the same method, or something, name as the method being decorated. If you can think of a better solution, please post it here. It works as follows. And if you do a faulty version, it will raise an assertion error during class loading.
Here's an implementation that doesn't require specification of the interface_class name.
If you want this for documentation purposes only, you can define your own override decorator. This is really nothing but eye candy, unless you create override f in such a way that it actually checks for an override. But then, this is Python, why write it like it was Java?
Improvising on at Porpila. Great answer. Here is a version with more precise checks, naming, and raised error objects. Here is what it looks like in practice. Note implemented error not implemented in base class. Results in more descriptive note implemented error. Full stack. Note implemented error expected implemented type. Results in more descriptive note implemented error. Full stack. The great thing about a Morpila answer is the check happens during some initialization phase. The check does not need to be run. Referring to the prior examples, class B is never initialized, yet the note implemented error will still raise. This means overrides errors are caught sooner.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.